Alright guys, so welcome back and let's do short video for Pulse Chain and everything you need to know how to start. So Pulse Chain is the hot topics for the last 48 hours and it has been exploded. The fees are over the roof. What it should not be that way. Now Pulse Chain is the better version of Ethereum, should be green and better and cheaper, 100 times cheaper version than Ethereum. So Pulse Chain, there are two tokens. Pulse token is the same like Ethereum, and Pulse X is exchange token, is the same like Uniswap or PancakeSwap or Quick Swap. Now Pulse Chain is PLX and Pulse X is PLX. PLS is Pulse Chain, PLSX is Pulse Chain. I'm always getting confused, doesn't matter. Okay, so once we go there, you open the pulsechain.com. Don't go to any other website, there are so many fake. Once you go there, you click and add Pulse Chain to your Metamask. Okay, once you add Pulse Chain to your Metamask, then you have the option, because I already to add PLSX Pulse X to my Metamask, what is the exchange token. Once you go there, then you need to go and find how many tokens you have sacrificed, if you already did, and then we can find out how many tokens you have airdropped by the Pulse Chain. Now when you can go there, what you're going to do is you can go to explore. Okay, go to the explore, and right here to the top right is Sucrifice checker. You press there and you will see here if you have any tokens. Okay, now if you go to the PRC 20 tokens scanner, you can go there, you connect your wallet and go scan. Once you scan, it's going to scan all the tokens. If you have any airdrop to you, it's going to pop up right there on your MetaMask and you just add them. Okay, simple as that. Okay, what else we can go? Okay, if you go to the Pulse X, okay, everything is here, guys. If you go to the Pulse X, okay, this is, you connect your wallet, okay, and right there, okay, right here, you can exchange, you can swap. Okay, Pulse for Pulse X and wherever you have available there. Now the token, what they have is incentive. Okay, it's no price for anything yet. Why? Because the bridge is not live. Once the bridge is live, what should be in the next, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 hours, maybe one couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, nobody knows. They say it's coming very soon, should be in the next 24 hours. Maybe when you watch this video, it's already live. Then we're going to have price for the Pulse Chain and Pulse X and everything else. Now you can also add liquidity. Okay, you can go and add liquidity, and the way to add liquidity at the moment, you can farm incentive token. Okay, you can only add Pulse X and Pulse token together. Be careful of impermanent loss. Okay, now next thing what you need to know, on the main site also go to explore. Okay, once you go to explore, you can go to more and you can see the gas right there. You can see the gas, you can see charts. Okay, what at the moment you can see the validator, the blocks, everything is right there. But the main stuff is what is Pulse Chain, what is Pulse X, and how we can find your tokens. A lot of people, what's the play now? What's the play and how we can make money? Don't expect if you have, let's say, 100 ape coin on Ethereum, you're going to get 100 ape coin on right here. I don't think we're going just to sell them, cash out and get out. So probably we're going to find out all together once everything is live. Be careful of a lot of scammers. Thank you so much. Till the next one. Goodbye.